Good afternoon, students. This is Mr. Hari Prasad, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechatronics Engineering, K.S.Rangasamy College of Technology, Tiruchenkoor. We see about the topic of Introduction to Electric Drives under the subject of Industrial Drives and Control. This is basic element of a drive system. It's a very basic diagram. First diagram is representation of source. Source either AC or DC. Then power modulator, motor, load, control unit, sensing unit. This is the basic block diagram of drive system. Next, power converter. It's either AC to DC or DC to AC, AC to DC or DC to DC. That means either rectifier, inverter, controller, converter or chopper. Then motor. Motor converts the electric energy into mechanical energy. It's a heart of the electrical system. This motor is either DC motor or AC motor. Commonly used motor are DC motor, series, shunt, parallel DC motor, compound and permanent magnet DC motor. Then AC motor, induction motor, wound rotor motor and linear screw cage motor. And then brushless DC motor and stepper motor. These motors are commonly used for the basic element drive system. Then is load. It can be a machine to accomplish a given task. Example is a pump, fan, machine tools, centrifugal pumps like that. Then controller. The power required for the motor supplied by the controller. Like next one is sensor. Depending upon the type of control required, various input from the sensors are taken. An example is speed current. The sensor used any kind of a physical quantity converted to the electrical signal is called sensors. Okay, this is the basic electric drive system. Next one is types of electrical drives. The types of electric drive is based on the supply, it can be converted into two types. Based on the number of motors, it can be converted into three types. Based on the speed, converted into two types. Based on control parameters, classified into three types. Okay, we see about the upcoming slides. We see about the types of drives. Based on the supply, there are two types available in this category: AC motor drives and DC motor drives. AC motor drives operating at AC supply, either single phase supply or three phase supply. Single phase supply operated at 230 volt AC, three phase supply operated in 440 volt AC. AC drive is device used to control the speed of an electric motor, such as a three phase induction motor, by changing the frequency of the electric supply to the motor. AC drive is also called variable frequency drive, alias VFD, variable speed drive, alias VSD. Next one is DC motor drives. DC motor drive has a single DC supply, it's 220 volt DC supply. It's basically speed control system of a DC electrical motor that supply voltage motor to operate at desired speed. Next one is based on the supply. Next one is based on number of motors. There are three types available in this category: individual, multi-motor, group drive. Individual motor is there will be a separate drive motor for a various part of machine. Example, lathe machine. Next one is multi-motor. Separate motors are provided for the actuating different parts of the machine. Example, cranes. For a single load, two motors are connected for the single loads. Next one is group drive. In a group drive, one motor is used as a drive for two or several machines. The motor is connected by the single shaft. Other machines are connected by the shaft. It's called a group. Group drive is most economical because we have single load and the operation performing on a group of motors. It's called a group drive. Next one is based on the speed. There are two types available in this category: constant speed drive and variable speed drive. Constant speed drive is machine tools require more or less constant speed drives. Squirrel cage induction motor along with the manual controls are used. Variable speed drive is the main purpose of variable speed drive is control speed along with the acceleration, deceleration, torque, and finally the direction of the machine. They are used to reduce power consumption. Thanks for watching, students. Keep learning, growing. Signing off, Hari Prasad from K.S.Rangasamy College of Technology.